Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you deploy WordPress into Heroku. So for that you need GitHub and you have to log in on GitHub. So I have logged in my Heroku and GitHub as well. So just go to WordPress GitHub and fork that. Okay. So after forking after forking the GitHub URL content like github.com/your name/WordPress. Okay, so this directory is forked on my GitHub. So after that you have to create a Heroku app, and you can type any name for that. In my case that is W2HIN and United States, the server location. So after that you have to tap that GitHub, and I have already connected my GitHub into to Heroku. So this is your WordPress, so just copy it and paste and search it, so it will found in search result. After that tap connect. Okay, and after that deploy the master branch. So it will be deploying. So it uh, was deployed successfully, and this is your WordPress installation page. This is your WordPress installation page. Okay, so you also need a database server for that. So Heroku does not provide a database, so for that you have to use like a third party remote database. So in my case I am using that free SQL database.com. I don't know, so I have created account. After that you also have to create an account, it's free. Okay, so go to MySQL, and my location is Asia Pacific, and you have to create a new database. So create a new database, so it will say please wait. Okay, so just copy the database host and paste over there. Database host. Okay, so database name and username and password. So password will come to you by an email, and this is the database name and database host name as well. So this is the database name and database username. The password will be emailed to you. Okay, so wait for that. After some time it will say check your email, and email will you will get an email containing your password. Okay, so let's wait for that. Wait for it, and uh, this is my password. I received it via email. So this is my password. After tap your password, tap that submit button. Oh no. And run the installation. So wait for it. It will take some time. And this is the information, like your site title, that is Tuhin, username is also Tuhin, and password, let's choose 123456789, and confirm use a weak password. Just tap OK, and your email, in my case that is tkp03463@gmail.com, and tap install WordPress. So it will take more time, okay, so wait for that. So after that you can see a application error. The reason is the database error. Okay, so the database cannot connect with this site for too long time. For that the application error was happened. So if you go to w2hin.herokuapp.com, So here you can see the WordPress, but nothing is loaded properly. So for that we'll use a trick, obviously. So wp admin, sorry, my bad, wp admin will work, but the username password you just enter, I think that will not work. Okay, so log in my site, and the password is 123456789, and if I tap login, unknown username. Okay, to fix this problem we will use phpMyAdmin.co and fill your credentials. Okay, just fill the credentials, MySQL credentials. So our WordPress is looks like that. So you enter just insert button over here, and user login, this is a user login. Okay, user login is will nothing, I mean no change, and user login with Tuhin, and user pass will be MD5. Okay, so tap use MD5, and user pass is 123456789. User nickname will Tuhin, and user email will be tkb03463 @gmail.com. So okay, so this is the format I got from here. I will give that link in description. Okay, so that's it, and now tap that go button. Go. It will take some time because the server is so rubbish, the database server is so rubbish. Okay, after that tap go, and it will be none. So take some time. Okay, so here you can see, so after that go to your login page and log in to Tuhin and 123456789 and tap login. So it will be logged in, but you cannot do anything because of the database server problem. Actually localhost is better, but you can't like you can't do a localhost in that. Okay, you can because Heroku does not provide you a local host MySQL. So here is one chance, you have also one chance, that Heroku element. Okay, so nothing will work here, so just your WordPress site, that's it. Go to Heroku, and here you can find elements option, elements.heroku.com. Here is search MySQL, sorry, that is NYSQL. Sorry for the mistake. MySQL, and here JWSDB MySQL. So activate that, and your name, that is W2hin, and add on. So the problem is you have to register with a credit card and verify your identity. So if you have a credit card, then you can use it only, you can use it for free, but I do not have a credit card, so I can't use it. So that is the installation video of WordPress on Heroku. So thank you guys.